What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be painting some wheels on my roommate Eric's Turbo EK hatch. But before we get to that, I want to go ahead and say thank you so much for all the love on the channel recently. We just went over 1,000 subscribers. That is insane. That was honestly kind of my goal for this whole year, and we just smashed that. So thank you so much for that. Really appreciate all the support. To show you guys some love back, I want to do a giveaway on this channel. I'm actually going to be giving away some Miata parts. They're behind me right now. Stay tuned to the end of the video for all the details on that. This information is also going to be in the description down below. But for now, enjoy this footage we shot yesterday of painting these wheels. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bringing another automotive paint video today. It's been a little while since I've done a painting video. Eric and I are on the way up to the shop right now. Today we're going to be painting his wheels on his Turbo EK hatch. I'll be bringing you guys along for the ride and trying to share any tips and tricks I might have for you painting your own projects. Alright, so how we prep these wheels is we basically just Eric sanded them, some of the rough spots with 80 grit, and then we stepped it up to 320 to smooth out those scratches. Then we went back with like a red scuff pad, a red Scotch-Brite, and scuffed all the wheels, got all the glossy parts off of them. So these are pretty much ready to go for paint. We're going to get them set up on some stands now, so they'll be hung up and we can get all angles, all sides of the wheels. So we're going to get these set up on some stands now and we'll check back with you guys. Alright, so this actually worked out really well. We were able to hang all the wheels on this one stand. Wheels can be kind of tricky just because of the fact you need to get all the way around them, and if you don't have a way to hang them up, there's not really a good way to do it. Most of the time in the past when I've done these at home, I ended up only doing the faces because most of the time you can't see the barrels that well anyways, and there's not really a good way to get them all at once if you can't hang them up. But with the way we have these set up, we should be able to do a very good job on them. Right now, Eric is just cleaning them with a solution we have. It's basically kind of like a Windex. It's an ammonia and water mixture. This is going to clean all the dust off. Then we're going to go back with a wax and grease remover and they'll be ready for paint. So we're at the shop where I work at right now, and I'm very lucky to be able to use this occasionally on personal projects, and the tools that we have here makes doing this stuff so much easier. And I understand that not everyone will have access to stuff like this, but I'm going to try and give any tips that I can that will help you maybe doing your own paint projects at home or something like that. But what I want to do now is show you guys like how we mix up the paint and how we choose different variants that we have for each paint code. On these K1 wheels, we're going to be painting them Honda Championship White. So I'm going to pull up the formula right now and show you guys the two different variants that we have on this color. So the paint code for Championship White is NH0. So like I said, on this paint code we have two different variants. So these are all our color chips. So when we put in a paint code in the computer over there, it will tell us if we have chips on it, so we can pull it up and look at the different variants. So we got two different variants here. We've got Prime and we've got this one here with the G, that means greener. So Prime is kind of like your default base variant. So this means that this one here compared to Prime is going to be greener. So I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera, but in person here we can see this here is definitely has a greener tint to it than this one. This is more of like a creamier white. We're going to be going with Prime today on these wheels.
Yeah, it does. You can definitely tell in person.
I like this one a lot better.
Yeah, I like this one better.
So I already mixed up paint for these last night, so we're pretty much ready to go. What we're going to do now is put on some sealer. Okay, so for this color, it's telling us to use undercoat G1 for best results. This refers to the shade of sealer that we're going to use. We have three different cans here. One is a white, one's like a medium gray, and one's a darker gray. Using these, you can combine them to make a primer that is on the G scale in between a G1 and a G7. This just refers to the lightness or darkness of the gray. So since we're painting white today, it's going to be a G1. This is just going to be a basic white primer sealer.
what is this, Alex?
This is a tack cloth. This is gonna pick up any little dust particles or lint that's on your part. So the base coat we're using today is actually a water-based paint, and the way that this dries is it requires airflow moving over the surface to dry the paint. So right now I'm going to go in here and direct some air onto these things to try and dry them off so we can put the next coat on. Alright, got these wheels finished up. We're just eating now. We got the wheels in the booth baking right now. What that is, the bake cycle is basically, it heats the booth up to about 150 degrees for whatever amount of time you set, and this accelerates the curing process. So when these come out of there, the wheels should be dry to the touch. Clear might still be a little soft, but they'll be dry enough for us to handle so we can take them home. So yeah, overall, went pretty smoothly. Wheels can be pretty tedious to do just because all the little spots you need to get. You want to make sure you get everything covered, but this color covered in only 2 coats of base, and then we put 2 coats of clear. So as soon as these finish baking, we'll get some shots for you guys so you can see what they look like. Then we'll load them up and take them home. Alright, welcome back, you guys. All that footage was actually shot yesterday. We got the wheels home now. They're just chilling. Eric has new tires ready for them already. I'm pretty sure he's going to get them put on this week. So make sure to drop a follow on Instagram if you want to see what the wheels look like on the car. Also drop a comment down below if you have any specific questions about painting. I'd be happy to answer them. I tried to explain what we were doing as much as I could while we were filming and also trying to get the wheels painted. But now we got to get to these giveaway details. So I have this set of replica Project G corner flares for an NA Miata that I want to give away to one of you guys. I ran these on my car for a little while. I'll drop some pictures of that right now. I thought they looked pretty cool, but ultimately I didn't really care for them that much, so I took them off and they've just been sitting in the garage for a little while, so I want to give them away to one of you guys so you can put them to use. These are painted classic red right now, so if you have a red Miata, you're in luck, but if you don't and you happen to win these, I'll be happy to paint these whatever color your car is. So to be entered to win these, all you've got to do is go to my Instagram, go to my latest post. It's going to be up right now as you're watching this video. Go to that post and just leave a comment, YouTube gang. I want to make sure all my YouTube subscribers here have a fair shot at these because I appreciate you guys showing love. So any likes or follows are appreciated, but not necessary at all. Just go to that post and comment YouTube gang and you'll be entered to win these corner flares. So I'm going to let this run for a week and then we'll pick a winner. So the winner will be announced next Monday, May 18th, 2020. So good luck to everyone. I really appreciate all the support recently. Thank you guys so much for showing love. Maybe we can do another giveaway like this in the future. I think that would be pretty cool. But for now, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome week and we will see you in the next one.